today we're going to be teaching you how to do this hairstyle. It's very easy, and we're going to be doing it on Natalia. So what we're going to be using today is a little mirror so she can look at herself, little hair ties, gel, this type of hairbrush, a slick back brush, just a regular comb, and to make her middle part, and some water. Now we're gonna brush out her hair. I'll come back when I'm done. Now we're just making sure her part is straight, which it is. So to create this part, we're gonna grab some hair and then tie it in the back. Okay, we're gonna split it over here. It's gonna look like that, but just the process. I slipped it back like this to make my part. You can do how much you want. Okay. So now that we did our little part, let's go to a wig. I'm gonna add gel. And then I'm just gonna flick it back a little bit to tame it. I'm gonna do black because this one's, oh yeah, you're right. I'm actually gonna do clear so you won't be able to see it. I made a little part here so I know where to like tie it. Where I got some help.
So first, you want to get the other side like this, and you want to spray it with water, and you just want to comb it down until you get it all straight. After that, you're going to grab the front, and you're going to start braiding. Make sure you grab 3 strands from the top, and you're going to just start braiding it like this. Once you have something like this, you're going to grab a little bit of hair from one of the sides, and you want to bring it. And then you just keep grabbing sides until you're...
Now we started the braid. We're doing little bubbles, which is just like you put it real tight here, and then you leave a little space, and then you do another. And now we're starting the braid. We're almost done. We tied this part up so we can tie this in the back. This is the final product. It looks so good. Oh, we need to fix this part a little bit. But to fix it, you just need to do that. Very easy, as you can see. Very cute.
Hola chicos, hoy les vamos a enseñar cómo hacer este peinadito. Es muy fácil. Lo vamos a hacer en una amiga Natalia. Vamos a estar usando este espejo, unas ligas, gel, este peine, otro peine, otro peine, otro peine y agua. Ahora vamos a peinarle el pelo.
Ahora vamos a ver que su raíz no esté chueca. Entonces, para crear esta parte vamos a agarrar un poco de pelo y amarrarlo atrás.
Vamos a traer un poquito de pelo a este lado con cuidado y te aseguras que esté bien derecho. Lo empujé un poquito para acá.
Ahora vamos a echar agua y peinarle.
Le vamos a echar unas liguitas
negras.
Agarré una ayuda, le vas a peinar el pelo y nada más le vas a poner unas liguitas, uno sobre otra.
Ahora vamos a echarle más agua al pelo.
Peínale para que esté suavecito. Vamos a hacer una trenza, pero si no sabes hacer una trenza, podemos hacer un video de eso. Amarramos esta parte para que no nos estorbe. La amarramos y así quedó el peinado. Espero que les haya gustado. Adiós. Like y subscribe.